What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna just bring you a quick unboxing and look at the Monarch series case from UAG. This is actually the carbon fiber edition, and it's also for the iPhone XS Max. I just want to show you this. I haven't gotten the phone just yet. I did pre-order it on Friday, and I want to compare it to my previous phone, which was a Samsung Note 5. So let's go ahead, and I did kind of open it a little bit because it's a little difficult to get out, but okay. There's nothing in the case. That's it. So so here it is. Let me take a look at it. It's really nice. If you've seen any other videos of this specific Monarch series with the carbon fiber, they had it only available for the iPhone X last year. So they still continue that, the iPhone XS and the iPhone XS Max. So over here I had this clear one from for my Note 5. I am switching from Samsung to Apple just to try it out. I got a MacBook Pro for my birthday, so I'm trying this. I needed a new phone, so I pre-ordered the iPhone XS Max. So I'll be getting it in a few days, so I'll do the unboxing on that, and then I'll also apply it with this. And then kind of I'll be bringing a little bit more of ideas as far as like setups for your phones. There's a couple that I'm kind of like playing with. There's another case called Pitaka, which is a nice Kevlar type of case that would look really nice with this pop socket. I just got this to try it out because I wanted to see if it would work with the ridges on this type of case. So I might or I might not put it on this case or not, because I do like the that carbon fiber look. It's not real carbon fiber, it's just like some type of print. This does retail a little bit more expensive. It's on the $60 side. This one I think was like about $35, but other than that, this phone I previously had another one for my Note 3, which kept it in really good shape, and I wanted to continue that for my new phone. So definitely recommend this case. It doesn't add that much bulk. So here's like the ridges, all the cutouts, as you can see. There we go. Right here. This side, got the power button, and nothing on the top. So other than that, it's got a really good hard feel to it. It's got a good grip on the sides. This one's pretty nice. This one was pretty good, but this is a little bit more. They start kind of peeling a little bit after a while, after like a few years. See, they kind of just come off the case, but there's no issues as long as the phone is on. You only notice this when the phone is actually off. You see, it starts kind of peeling off. But so like I said, I will be getting that iPhone in shortly, so I will go ahead and try it on with the case. I will also be getting, I think, a Rhino Shield case on the cover on it, and kind of show you my stealthy kind of build for that new phone. So stay tuned. If you guys like, subscribe or comment below your guys' suggestion, maybe a different kind of case. This is more like an industrial kind of, not so thick, but a nice protective kind of setup. And then I kind of want to go with a slimmer with a still protective setup as well down the road, so I'll do a video on that. Like I said, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Okay, peace.